Hello guys, meron lang akong konting kanta na kasi may nag-request sa akin ng TikTok so dito ko na lang siya idadaan sa upload sa YouTube account. Ang request niya is Your Guardian Angels by the Red Jam sa Taparado, so let's try lang. Ito yung boses ko, acapella lang kapag wala po sa recording, so try natin kasi kinatok ko kagabi sa so okay, here we go. When I see your smile, tears run down my face, I can't replace. And now that I'm strong, I have figured out how this world turns cold and breaks through my soul. And I know I'll find deep inside me I can be the one. I will never let you fall. I'll stand up with you forever. I'll be there for you through it all. Even if saving you sends me in heaven, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Seasons are changing and waves are crashing and stars are falling all for us. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter. I can show you I'll be the one. I will never let you fall. I'll stand up with you forever. I'll be there for you through it all. Even if saving you sends me in heaven, 'cause you're mine. Yun lang sa ngayon. So, next time, gagawin ko siyang cover song kasi kapag may time ako kasi sobrang busy ko sa work ngayon, or my schedule is like 4 to 11 p.m. kasi minsan may mga tao dun sa hub na mga kumakain, gusto nila kasi may live band, so ganun yung ginagawa namin ng daily routines namin, tapos kumakanta kami. So, see you soon. Mamaya magla-live siguro ako. Stay tuned lang, magla-live ako siguro pag nasa hub na ako pag kumakanta, kantahan session. So, see you soon. Bye!